What's going on, everybody? Stock Jock here, up $3,453 in the first hour of trading today. Finished the day up $20,893. So fantastic day. Half of that came from closing out some of my swing trade that I had on Riot here. I had 50 calls, and I whittled it down to selling about 40 of them. 30 of them today, 10 of them yesterday. So all in all, just a really good day. A lot of day trading later on the day, but today was just kind of weird. Couldn't find really any setup. I had one setup. I'll go over that right now, and then I'll show you the live clip. That's one trade in the entire hour. Before I get into the trade, I want to invite you all to my free chat room. That's right, free. If you're not already a member of the Twitch stream, you need to get on over there and check it out. It's completely free. You see this screen right here that I have in front of you for the entire trading day. I trade from 9:30 to 4 o'clock in the afternoon, Eastern time. It's 100% free. It's made for me as a way to give back to the community. When I started out trading, there just wasn't any easy way to learn. And I just want to help people along in their journey. That's all I want to do. It's completely free. Tips are appreciated, but they're not needed. We also have a free Discord. Same thing goes over there. It's a great community. We're just trying to build a really good community of traders. If you're an experienced trader, we welcome you because we always are looking for more trade ideas. You know, you only can have a certain amount of time spent looking at one or two or three tickers. You need more experienced traders to help catch things or catch a potential trade that you just didn't really have access to because you're not paying attention to it. So we always welcome those in as well. So without further ado, let's get into the one and only trade I took. You can kind of see here I closed out 20. I take that back. It wasn't that I sold 10 yesterday. I sold 20 this morning, and then I sold 20 later on in the day. Anyway, Ryan is a Bitcoin play. Bitcoin gapped up. That's what I was looking for. I sold 20 of my Riot calls just to lock in some profit. It's kind of crazy because I think I ended up selling 20 more of these later. Where is it at? It's one of my last trades of the day. Let's plug. There it is, right there on Riot. I sold 20 more at $7 and basically 80 cents average. These I sold for $4.30. So what can you do? It was still a massive win. And that's where a lot of my money came from today. About 8,000 to 10,000 of it was day trading, but the majority of the wins today came from selling those Riot calls. And I did take a JMIA trade, and I wonder how that did after hours today. This is kind of just a daily chart. This just looks ready to go here. Maybe break some of this resistance tomorrow. We'll see. If it doesn't, it just comes up to resistance, I'll sell. I got the move that I'm looking for. Currently up $1,000 on it. That's all I was looking for. Either come up to resistance and not get through, or break through, and then I, ring the register on that too. But anyway, let's get into the one trade I did make, which was KALV. This was a phase two, a drug that was coming out of phase 2 with positive results, and it gapped up pretty big. And it was a fast mover. So out of the open here, you can see it's making it's dropping, profit taking, right? Lower high, lower high, lower low, and it kind of goes sideways here, and it looks like it's about to reverse. And every time it makes one of these lower highs, they turn into little resistance areas. And if you break these, especially on a reversal, you tend to get a pop. And I was watching that through here, especially this part right here. So what I saw was kind of a pop. I saw a candle under candle right here that did not do anything. In fact, it found a lot of buyers on it. And I told myself, okay, well, if the candle over candle under candle, can't get this thing to drop, especially back to back almost, right? We had a candle under candle here, bounce, candle under candle, still nothing. Can't get this thing to continue the overall downtrend. then I told myself, okay, maybe a reversal is setting up here. I said, I will take, since the candle under candle isn't working, maybe this is the time where a candle over candle will work, and it will start leading me to maybe knock some of these dominoes over, these previous resistance points. So on the very next candle over candle, I go long, right in through here. I actually had a stop limit order. So what that means is, you can kind of see right here, I set it at 38.71, which is a couple cents over the breakout spot. So the breakout spot's right here for the candle over candle, or I shouldn't say breakout. For the candle over candle that I was looking for, I put an order entry right above that, just for a little slippage. So, if it beat it by 1 cent, it didn't fire. But anyway, if price touched 38.71, my order of 2,000 shares would go live. And that's what happened. I got filled at 38.77. And everything that I was looking for happened. Got the candle over candle, broke resistance, broke resistance, broke resistance, all in one go, and broke high and day, all in one go. What I did not see is the collapse on the way back down. It really didn't hold it. I was really hoping for high and day move and then just go into orbit. We saw a ticker recently, SAVA, had positive data. This, I think it was phase 3, if I'm not mistaken. I mean, this thing went from $22 to $121. Like, I was kind of in my back of my mind thinking, that's what this thing could do. It didn't do that. Can it still do it? Maybe. We'll see. We'll see what tomorrow brings. But anyway, as it was breaking through these levels, I started to sell. So my entry was, where is it? Here we go, 38.77. I exited 1,000 shares of $40.24. Then, let's see. I held for another 2 minutes, and it started to come back down for candle under candle, and that's when I started to like, oh my gosh, I gotta get out of this thing. So I actually started selling 38.59 and 38.15 on 500 share lots each, and it didn't work out so well. I did make one more trade on this one. I guess I'll go over this one all in one go, and I'll just run the clips together. I think this was a 5-minute play. Let me look here. 10, what is this? 10:25? Yeah, so this is a 5-minute play on this thing right here. Pop, pull back, candle over candle, pop, pull back, candle over candle entry. So I was looking at that right there, which happened right in this area. I go long for the 5-minute candle over candle, only get filled 1,134 shares. It pops up, and I sell into this pop right through here for, let's see, I got out, was that about 40 cents, 30 cents, 43.27, whatever. Nice wins overall. I didn't really like, the initial pop and drop on me, but that's trading for you. That's why I tell everyone, well, I don't really tell everyone what they can do because I can't tell you what to do, but it's important to me to scale out because I don't know what is going to happen as soon as I enter a trade. Like, it's common to see the stock just go into orbit. It's also common to see it pop and completely drop. It's also common to see a false break and then completely reverse and drop. So you got to take your profit. You haven't made a dime until you take your profit. So anyway, without further ado, here's the trade. Really short video today, and that's all I took in the first hour. I took a ton of trades later on. Like I said, I mean, there was a ton, but in the first hour, that's all I found. So it's good morning. Can't complain. But here's the trade, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, let's see here. Big volume here on this KALV. Looks like it's going to break this 38.71. Filled 38.77. Right up to 39. Holy crap. 40. Holy moly. Selling some at 40.24. Oh my gosh. Can we go high a day? 41.50? I ain't gonna be mad. Hold for that'll be a battleground, that 40 level. 1 minute Stokes is getting a little extended here. I'm gonna keep my eye on it. Don't really want a 39.50 to break. $40.50. Oh, come on. $40.84. 70. Yeah, yes. Get on up. Get on up. Get on up. All right, 41, and then we got high day. High day, baby. All right. I need to start taking some money off here. Whoa. Hey, 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 hey. Hold on. Of course, I'm not going to get filled there. Nope. Nope. SJ's trying to get out, so we're going to dump this bitch. Yep. Freaking dump it. Freaking dump it. SJ's trying to get on the ask? Oh, yeah, yeah. Dump it. Piece of junk. Out the rest. That pisses me off. 281. Orders live. Got filled some of it. Canceling the rest. 1134. What am I at? 4290. Okay. 43. It's 40. 50. Wow. 43.27. All right, first hour in the bag. Didn't do much trading. 3,453 bucks though.